See what we got going on here. My electrical system is trashed. This thing has modules everywhere. Modules in every door, modules under the dash, modules under the steering column. It had a built-in Bose amplifier that when I ran diagnostics on it, it wasn't getting any information from it. Let me pull this out. This is the craziest bunch of wiring bullshit I've ever seen in a car in my life. That's where the amp was mounted. There's some more modules back down in there. I just want to pull that stuff out. I didn't have license plate lights, but I got those wired in to another hot wire, so that's cool. My trunk pop don't work. Like, it's got a bunch of things that don't work, and I don't have no outlets in the vehicle. So what I did was I took out one of the passenger backseat cigarette lighter things, and then I got the end of my trickle charger. And what I'm gonna do is this, I'm gonna wire it to the battery straight right here, and then run the wires up under the seat, because right here's the edge of the seat, and then I'll be able to plug in right there. And then I'll have power. Yeah, I don't have dome lights. I don't have doorbells, whistles, alerts, anything like that. Thank God my fucking power windows work, and my dash. Radio don't work, but I got this beast over here. Wish I wouldn't have bought it. It cost too much money. But I threw the box away. I can't take it back now. But this little bitch rocks.
Creative concoctions, tequilas you won't find anywhere on the Grand Strand. Happy hour and unbeatable drink special.
I might get it off. Alright. So I'm gonna throw this fucking cable in here. And then I'm gonna file for a title for this boy. I left Florida, of course. Before I got my title, now I have to pay $80 for the file for lost title. So as soon as I get my title, that bitch is gonna be up for sale. I ain't fucking with no more of this electrical shit.